I will tell you how to interface Arduino with LabVIEW. So first of all, you have to download Arduino software from Arduino site. Here it is Arduino. So from here you have to go to software. After this we have Windows installer. I am using Windows 7, so I am using this. When I click this, it gives me Arduino software. It asks me contribute and download or just download. I'm clicking on just download. When I'm clicking on just download, I got this software Arduino 1.8.13, and after installation, double clicking on this, I got a port. So first of all, in interfacing of Arduino and LabVIEW, you have to install Arduino software, Arduino exe file. Arduino 1.8.13 is the latest version, so you have to install that. And when I connect my Arduino with my PC using USB port, here I am opening my already installed Arduino software. This, it gives me a port, basically a COM port. If you didn't install this software, you cannot access your Arduino. Okay, so to verify this, I'm going to control panel. In the control panel, go to the device manager. Here is the device manager. In this device manager, we got a COM port. So here I am accessing my Arduino. Here is the COM port. My Arduino, you know, is connected to COM port 3, and you can also verify this using here COM port 3 Arduino Uno. Okay, so this Arduino exe file is just for creating the COM port. This is the first basic part of Arduino and LabVIEW interfacing. Then close this. After that, you have LabVIEW software in your PC. Just install LabVIEW, any version. Right now I am using LabVIEW 2015. This is my LabVIEW 2015. If you are using LabVIEW 2015, in this you don't have any interfacing toolbox regarding Arduino. So for the toolbox, I am going to VI package manager. Here is VI package manager, VIPM. You have to open this. I already opened this. This is my VIPM, and these are the third party toolbox. In this I am searching Arduino. Here are my 4 toolbox related to interfacing. First one is Arduino compatible compiler for LabVIEW home and student. This is standard version. This is Lifa LabVIEW interface for Arduino, and this is Linux DigiLent for Arduino Raspberry Pi. So first of all, I am telling you about the Linux. So select this and go to this install. I already installed this. This is the uninstallation port. This is the installation port. So during installation, you have to open your LabVIEW, so it takes less time for interfacing or creating a toolbox. Then I go to the LabVIEW and create a new VI. in this new VI, here I got the Maker Hub toolbox. When I install this one, Digiland Linux, in my PC, I got Maker Hub toolbox. This one. This toolbox comes after the installation of Digiland toolbox. In this, we have basics peripherals like open, close, analog read, analog write, digital write, PWM read, PWM write, and some other options also there. And in this, we have inbuilt sensors like display, like LED, LCD, and for distance sensor like ultrasonic sensor, some other sensors also there. Right now I just tell you how to blink a 13 number LED using this. So when you install this toolbox, you have to go to tools. In this tools, just go to Maker Hub, then Linux firmware wizard. When you click on this, a new window pop up, and over here you have to select your device family. Right now I'm using Arduino. My board is Arduino Uno. These are the basic 5 Arduino boards which can be used for the interfacing. I'm using Arduino. Here is the serial USB port. I'm connecting this using my USB cable. Then next, over here you have to select your COM port, which is my COM port, which is comes during installation of Arduino software. If you don't have Arduino software in your PC, this COM port is invisible to you. Then next, when you click next, your LabVIEW software is interfaced with your Arduino, and your TX and RX LEDs continuously blink. And after installation, click finish. Right now your Arduino is interfaced with your LabVIEW, and after this I am going to create a digital write program to blink the LED on and off. So I am going to Maker Hub. I am clicking this. So first I am open, close, digital write. Just connect these pins and over here you have to create a constant for your port, COM port. It gives you COM port 3. Here is the baud rate. The baud rate of Arduino Uno is 9600. Over here you have to select the pin number, digital pin number. I am creating a constant. My pin number is 13 on board LED, and here I am creating a switch push button to just on and off my 13 number LED. I am connecting this, and for any error I am creating a simple error handler, and because I continuously read the signal, so for that purpose I create a while loop over this and create a control to stop the loop. This is the program, and when I run this, it takes some time. When this program runs, as you see, my Arduino is interfaced with LabVIEW, and RX TX LEDs are continuously blinking. When I on the push button, it gives me on, and when I off the push button 13 number LED off. Again, when I on the push button 13 number LED on. When I off the push button 13 number LED off.